Going over the lump sum distributions worksheet for IRS form 1116. This is the foreign tax credit worksheet. So you can take a foreign tax credit for taxes that you paid or accrued on a foreign source lump sum distribution from a pension plan. Special formulas may be used to figure out a separate tax on a qualified lump sum distribution for the year in which you receive it. If you are able to elect, and you do to elect to figure your U.S. tax on a lump sum distribution using IRS form 4972, tax on lump sum distributions, then a separate foreign tax credit limitation applies. You use a separate form 1116. And remember, you may be filling out many versions of this form because there are certain boxes that you check for a specific category of foreign source income and tax, and this would be one form that you would complete. So you would complete the separate form 1116. On that separate form, you check box G above part 1. You skip part 1. You would complete part 2, showing only the foreign taxes that are attributable to the lump sum distribution. And now we're at the point where we're going to complete this worksheet to determine the amounts that you enter in part 3. And we'll walk through the different numbers, where we get this information, and then where we report it. So we'll take our hero, John Doe, and in line 1, the first thing that we'll do is enter the amount from IRS form 1116, line 8, which happens to be the combined foreign taxes paid or accrued. So in this case, let's just call that $5,000, simply on the lump sum distribution, right? So this is just that. In line 2, we're going to enter the sum of the amounts from your lump sum distribution form line 6, which happens to be the capital gain from as reported on line 3 of your form 1099-R, and then line 12, which is the adjusted total taxable amount. So you'll combine those, and in this situation we come up with $15,000. This is the amounts from the line 6 and line 12 that are exclusively from foreign sources. So we're going to enter that amount on line 17. And then in line 3 here, we're going to take the lump sum distribution amounts, line 6 and 12, from all sources, U.S. sources and foreign sources. And we're going to enter this amount on line 18. So we have $15,000 in line 2, and on line 17, we have $25,000 on line 3, also on line 18. And then this line 4 instruction really mirrors the line 19 instruction on the form itself, where you divide the $15,000 by the $25,000, and you'll enter that result as a decimal, rounded to at least 4 places. So you enter it here and then on line 19. If line 2 for some reason is more than line 3, then you would enter 1. You don't enter a percentage higher than 1. In line 5, you'll enter the total amount from form 4972, line 30, and that is the tax on the lump sum distribution. You would also include this amount on line 20 of the form 1116. So in this case, we calculated a total $6,000 tax. We wouldn't include the amount on line 5 that you enter on line 20 of any other form 1116. So we're sticking with just this form. Now we're going to multiply the $6,000 tax by the 60% that's attributable to the foreign source income. And in this case, we get $3,600. We're going to enter the smaller of either line 1 or line 6. Both here in line 7 as well as in line 24, of the Form 1116. So that, and then to the left of that form, we'll write lump sum distribution. So that would be the amount of tax that's eligible for credit when taking a lump sum distribution from a foreign source, such as a pension plan. That's all we have for this video. We do go into more depth about how Form 1116 works on our website. You can select the link in the show notes, or you can go to teachmepersonalfinance.com, type in IRS Form 1116, or any other tax form number that was mentioned in this video, specifically IRS Form 4972 for lump sum distributions. We'll also have links to the articles that we've written and videos we've produced on these forms in the show notes. So if you like our articles, please subscribe to our newsletter. And if you like our YouTube videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, if you have any questions, please reach out and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you very much and have a great day.